So we are in the month of April. Today is April Fool's, and these just arrived. So most of us right now, especially those that live in areas where you have to cut a lot of grass, we are getting ready for spring, whether it's weed whacking, getting your weed whackers, tuned up and ready to go. And last year I didn't change my blade. So this year I was going to take off the ones that I have on my mower. Now I have a Cub Cadet ZTS2. And these blades are made for the Cub Cadet ZTS2. It fits other models as well, but if you have this particular mower, these are blades that you want to get. Now, initially when I first saw them, I wasn't crazy about the color, so I ended up ordering 2 sets of them. So this is how they came. And again, I haven't opened them, but you get 3 blades. Now, this is a 54-inch deck. You get 3 blades in the deck, and they look to be perfectly weighted, brand new in the bag. And like I said, I bought me another set so that I could have an extra set on hand. So if I take these off to sharpen them, I can put my other blades, the other set that I bought, on the mower itself. Heavy duty, high quality. And again, make sure that you're getting the right blade for your mower when you order these. But these seem, other than the crazy color, which nobody's going to see anyway, I actually was pretty impressed with the color quality. I do a lot of sharpening of my own blades, and I'm pretty impressed. Let's take one out and take a look at it. So they would obviously mount this direction, and then you have your blade here, and then your blade on the side as well. So again, like I said, super short video. I just wanted to show you guys what these look like in person, but I'm super impressed with them. Can't wait to put them on here in the next couple of days and get started cutting the grass. Click the link, check them out. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised. I will come back and do another review after I use these, let you know what I think of them.